All right, in this section we're going to go over the monthly section of your Panda Planner VIA. So of course we want to put in your month. Your monthly focus is going to be something that you really want to focus on this month naturally. Very aptly named. But essentially this is a part of your life. It's like a theme for this month that you really want to bring top of mind that you're going to work on developing. So this can be something like mindfulness. It can be something like sense of humor. It can be a strength for sure. You can choose one strength per month if that's something you want to approach. It can be any number of things. And then a daily habit. It could be journaling, could be meditation, could be exercising, could be going for a morning run, could be calling your mother. It could be any number of things, but something you want to do on a daily basis. And then when you do that, you check off these little H boxes on your day. So of course, fill in this monthly overview section. You can fill in kind of your monthly schedule at a high level visual viewpoint. And you got your notes section here for anything that happens during the month. So your planning section is going to happen at the beginning of the month. You want to do this as you're writing this out. What are your top 3 goals that you want to accomplish this month? And then really think about what character strength would it take in order to accomplish that. So when you think about what goals you have, what are the strengths that would make that even easier? And then another part of planning your month is acts of kindness. And so kind of write in 2 different days where you're going to do something random. You might not even know what the acts of kindness is, but you might be like, you know what, the 15th is a kindness day. And so is the 31st. I'm going to do something random act of kindness that day. And then when you do them, write it in there, complete it. You can either plan it ahead of time or just do it kind of spur of the moment. But just adding a little bit more kindness, you're going to notice it's going to brighten your day as much as it brightens theirs, if not more. So it's funny to think about a selfish part of doing something nice for someone else, but there is some benefit to you and benefit to them, so everyone wins. So give it a try. So the review is at the end of the month. Think about your signature strength. These are some of your top strengths as far as after you've taken the survey at the viacharacter.org and you know what your top signature strengths are. Reflect on the times that you use your signature strengths well, and then write those in here too. And take the time to really appreciate those. With everything that we do that involves some kind of reflection, you want to really take the time to savor them and appreciate it and kind of relive it, because that's where you're going to get the most benefit. It's not necessarily just writing them down. That's not going to do it. But if you take the time to really appreciate and savor those things, you're going to get value out of it. And then surprise strength is, what are some of your strengths that you use this month? Think about some times that came up where you didn't expect to. Maybe you're not always great at appreciation of beauty, but you noticed the sunset one day on your home from work and it really stood out to you and you're like, man, that really surprised me. It almost brought me to tears how beautiful that was. I did not expect that. Or that's just a hypothetical example, but what's something that surprised you and how you use the strength this month? And just write them down. And again, take the time to appreciate those. All right, there's your monthly section. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if you're getting some value out of using your Panda Planner, if you could do me a favor and just share it with a friend, it would mean a lot to me. Not actually give them the planner, but maybe just share the message with them that you're using this product and you're enjoying it. Our goal is to help as many people as possible with our scientifically designed tools and strategies. So the more that we can spread the word, the better. We're a really small company, so trying to compete with the other planner, the big boys in the industry, is not always easy. So we really rely on word of mouth and people like you to help us spread the word. So I'd appreciate it, and thanks so much. Talk to you soon.